When building on site, it's important that all levels are correct and equal. One of the most common methods of transferring levels uses a straight edge and a spirit level. First, you need to establish the level you want to transfer. You can do this by bedding a brick into the ground or knocking in a peg as a temporary benchmark. On site, you'll use the site datum as the base for any levels. Bed the brick and check its height with the tape measure, adjusting it accordingly by tapping down on the brick. Use a spirit level to check that the brick is level. Now that you've established the first level, you need to decide where the level position needs to be set. Place the straight edge on the ground, running from your temporary benchmark. The length of your straight edge will establish the point where the next brick needs to be placed. Bed the brick, or place the peg, at the next position, as before. Place the straight edge so that one end sits on top of your first brick and the other end sits on the top of your new second point. Now place the spirit level on top of the straight edge. Read where the bubble sits on the level. Adjust the second point until the bubble is between the two lines on the spirit level's view glass. Tap the brick or knock down the peg until this is correct. You can also add extra mortar if the brick is too low. If you've still not reached your final position, repeat the process by using the straight edge as before to form a point C. Then use the spirit level on the straight edge from point B to point C. Adjust point C until it shows the correct level. If you're using bricks as temporary benchmarks, remember to use the tape measure to ensure that the height of the brick is correct. You can continue like this until you reach the final point you need to establish level. You have now accurately established a level over several points.